Hi everyone, welcome to Naresh Technologies. In this video, we are going to give the next challenge of core Java. So this is challenge 9, and this one is about continue. So what is it? Continue is a control statement. We can also call it as a branching statement. It is used to terminate only the current iteration of a loop execution. It terminates current execution of a loop. After terminating the current iteration, it will continue with the next iteration of that loop. So that is actually that continue. See one example just to understand the concept of a continue. One simple code I will explain. Here it is the class name, any class name we are taking, just test. Here it is using one for loop. I am just displaying 1 to 10 numbers I want to display. 1 to 10. Here system.out.println, just I value we are displaying that. It is a local variable, so we are accessing directly. It will display the value 1 to 10. See, whenever we are displaying the value, suppose I want to skip the 5th iteration. So if that I value equals to 5, if condition we are using, and here this one we are displaying here I value, whenever I equals to 5 I just want to continue. Then how it executes? When I value 1 equals to 5, condition false. If block will not execute, it will display the I value 1, 2, 3, 4. So whenever it is 5 equals to 5 means what? It will continue. It's next nothing but the following statements will not execute directly. It will terminate that iteration, only one iteration. Next I value becomes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will display the values 1 to 10 except 5. See, look at this, 5 is missing. This is actually what continue. Now based on this, so what is our requirement? What is the challenge? What is the task? Means display the multiples of 3 and 5, 3 multiples and 5 multiples between 0 to 50. 0 to 50, display the multiples of 3 or 5, but not a common multiple. So what is this? Here it is a 0 to 50. Common multiples means what? Like suppose if you take a 15, here it is divisible by 3 and it is divisible by 5. So don't display 15. Next, like 30, don't display that 30. 45, so don't display that 45. Remaining all are, for example, 3, 6, 9, 10. 10 is a 5 multiple now. 12, 15 don't display. 15, 18, 20, like this. Why 15 means what? 15 is divisible by 3 and divisible by 5. Sir, how can we skip the common multiple? Means what? Please use continue. Okay, using continue I want to display this pattern. Up to 50 you have to display. Okay, so this is the task. Hope you comment your code. Thank you.